For this problem, we're focused again on domain and range. And what we have to know is domain means our x values and range means our y values. One thing to note is within our problem, we have a radical. We have a square root. So just a rule that we need to memorize is that if we have a root, right, a square root, it has to be greater than or equal to 0 within it, right? We cannot have a negative value in our square root. So now, using that rule, let's set what's within our square root. So we have x plus 5 greater than or equal to 0. We subtract 5 on both sides. We know that x has to be greater than or equal to, not 0, negative 5. Here, that option is actually given. All real numbers greater than or equal to negative 5. Perfect. So again, let's go back to the basis of this problem. If we have a limit in our domain, more than likely we'll have a limit in our range. So let's check that out. Right? I have negative 2. And here, let's say I put 0 here. Right? What would be my end point? It has to be at negative 3. So we can narrow down our answers to the one that reference negative 3. If this was a positive number, we would say that negative 3 is our lowest possible point because our graph will be going up. However, because we have a negative coefficient, that means that that's actually going to be our highest point. So we want to focus on the answer that says all real numbers less than or equal to negative 3, which in this case is answer F.